The Douglas fir, scientifically known as Pseudotsuga menziesii, is one of the most iconic and widely recognized coniferous trees native to North America. Despite its common name, it is not a true fir, Abies, but belongs to the Pseudotsuga genus. It derives its name from David Douglas, a Scottish botanist who first documented it in the 1820s. Renowned for its towering height, straight trunk, and rich timber, the Douglas fir plays a critical ecological, economic, and cultural role, particularly in the Pacific Northwest of the United States and Canada. It is often considered one of the most versatile and resilient trees in North American forests. Physical characteristics. Douglas fir trees can grow to impressive heights, often reaching 70 to 100 meters, 230 to 330 feet, in old-growth forests. Their trunk is straight and cylindrical, making them ideal for timber production. The bark of mature trees is thick, deeply furrowed, and dark brown to reddish-brown, which helps protect the tree from fire and insect damage. The leaves, or needles, are flat, soft, and linear, typically 2 to 3 centimeters long, with a glossy dark green color on top and a lighter shade beneath. The needles are arranged spirally along the branches but tend to curve forward, giving the tree a distinctive appearance. Douglas firs are also monoecious, meaning a single tree produces both male, pollen, and female, seed, cones. The cones are uniquely shaped with three-pronged bracts that extend beyond the scales, often described as resembling the hind legs of a mouse, aiding in identification. Habitat and distribution. Douglas firs are highly adaptable and thrive in a variety of climates and soil types. They are most commonly found along the western coast of North America, from British Columbia in Canada to central California, and extending eastward into the Rocky Mountains. They prefer well-drained soils and can grow in elevations ranging from sea level to over 3,000 meters. The species exhibits remarkable resilience to temperature variations and can survive both drought and heavy snowfall. Its adaptability allows it to dominate many forest ecosystems, often forming mixed stands with species like western hemlock, Sitka spruce, and ponderosa pine. Ecological importance. Ecologically, Douglas fir trees are a keystone species in many forests. Their dense canopy provides shelter and nesting sites for a variety of wildlife, including birds, squirrels, and deer. The thick bark and deep root system make them resistant to fire, which helps maintain forest stability after natural disturbances. Douglas firs also play a significant role in soil health by contributing organic matter through fallen needles and decomposed wood. Furthermore, they support fungal networks, including mycorrhizal fungi, which enhance nutrient absorption for the tree and neighboring plants. Economic and cultural significance. Douglas firs are highly valued for their timber. The wood is strong, durable, and relatively lightweight, making it ideal for construction, flooring, furniture, and paper products. It is one of the most commercially important softwoods in the United States and Canada. Beyond timber, Douglas firs are popular as ornamental trees and Christmas trees due to their symmetrical shape and fragrant foliage. Indigenous peoples historically used various parts of the tree for practical and medicinal purposes, including crafting tools, ropes, and remedies from the resin. Today, they remain a symbol of the Pacific Northwest and are often planted in parks and urban areas for their aesthetic and environmental benefits. Growth and lifespan. Douglas firs are long-lived trees, with some specimens exceeding 500 years in age under optimal conditions. They exhibit rapid early growth, particularly in the first 50 years, and continue growing steadily throughout their lifespan. Young trees tend to have a conical shape with dense foliage, while mature trees develop broader crowns. They reproduce primarily through wind-dispersed seeds, though natural regeneration can be slow in heavily shaded or disturbed areas. Silvicultural practices often include controlled thinning and selective harvesting to promote healthy growth and maintain forest biodiversity. Conclusion. The Douglas fir is much more than just a tree, it is an ecological powerhouse, a commercial asset, and a cultural emblem. Its adaptability, resilience, and towering presence make it a critical component of North American forests. Whether viewed as a habitat for wildlife, a source of strong timber, or a living monument of natural heritage, the Douglas fir continues to inspire admiration and respect. Its longevity, distinctive cones, and lush green needles serve as a reminder of the beauty and importance of preserving native forest ecosystems.